Guys, today we have the cool day ever. Yes. First, is it milk? Is it chocolate milk? That's like next to it. Is it water with lemon? It's like that. The next one is that one. That is cold. Yummy, yummy. I love that. The last one. So good. Is it smoothie? I love that. Daria, come here. Guys, now it's my turn to try some drinks. Let's go. I think this is Coke. Next one. I think it's water with lemon. I will try again. Smoothie. I love it, guys. Let's try the next one. I think it's water with lemon. We're going to try next one. I think it's chocolate milk. Christina, let's make another challenge. Yeah. I think we're going to make one. Yeah. Guys, today we're doing a next challenge. Yay! Yay! Christina, I'm first, okay? Okay. Yay. Hi, guys. I think this is a candy. Let's go. I don't know what is that. I think I don't know what is that. I think that's banana. Yay, I got it correct. Next one. I think that's spiders. Wow, I got it correct. Yay! It's toy spiders. Are you ready, guys? Okay, I'm starting. I think this is gummy frog. Yes, I got it correct. I love gummy frogs. It's good. What is going to be in there? Let's check. I think this is an apple. Yes, I got it correct. Yes, I like apples. Let's go, guys. Something healthy. Is it like an apple? Yes, it's healthy. This was so good. Let's try that again. Oh, it's something like candy. I don't know what's that. Is this frogs are just a candy? It's so cute. Let's try it again. No. Is it, I mean, I have no idea what is that. Okay, guys, let's try it again. Let's get this. And now one more time. Ew. Is it banana? Oh yeah, that is a banana. Oh, yummy! My favorite one. My favorite milk. This smoothie. I love my drink. It's so good. My drink is better.